Gesundheit. Hey, soccer ball! Hey, soccer ball! Hey, soccer ball! Guess what? Goal!
That's it! I'm out of here! Let's go, baby doll!
Oh, I got you, honey.
Hey, I warned you! You can't elope!
We're in love, and there's nothing you can do about it! Nothing! I'm the king of the world! King of the world! Woohoo!
I got a pinch of salt that says they don't make it. Well, I'll take that action for sure.
I don't want to burst your bubble, but...
Oh my God, she's gonna blow!
Uh-oh.
Ah! Man down! Man down!
That is not good.
Ow! Whoa! Oh! Ow! Whoa! He really landed hard. Did you see that orange? Orange?
Oh, ow. Oh, I think I'm seeing stars.
Ah, damn nabbit! Them stars is gonna put us out of work. Oh, come on now, Ned. Let's go see about that cantaloupe. Orange, are you all right?
All right? I'm not all right. I'm wait. Who am I?
Uh-oh.
Wait. Let me get this straight. I'm an apple?
Yep,
Really?
a great, big, giant apple.
Yay! I'm an apple!
Well, I've looked all over the place and I can't find Midget Apple anywhere.
Good news, green guy. I'm an apple.
No, I told you, you're an orange.
Nuh-uh, I'm an apple.
Yeah, green guy's an apple too.
Okay, you know what? You're an apple, buddy.
Yay! Everyone's an apple.
No. I'm a pear. And you're an orange.
I'm orange? Why am I orange? Is there something wrong with me?
No, you are an orange. Just like I'm a pear.
You're a bear? Ah! Please don't eat me.
No, a pear.
A pear? A pear of what? I only see one of you.
Oh.
Hey, who turned out the lights?
Whoa, was that my conscience?
No, that was Midget Apple.
No, that's Little Apple. Yay! It's raining flavor. You're not helping.
Oh, I'm getting a little lightheaded over here.
Can somebody give me a hand, please?
No problem. I'll just... Wait. No hands. Why don't I have hands? Ah!
Whoa, easy, dude, easy. You never had hands.
What's going on out there?
Orange got hit in the head and now he has amnesia.
Yeah, and my memory's gone too.
Uh-oh! I think I'm getting tingly face. Uh-oh! Did you say tingly face? Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Oh, no! You guys better hold on to something.
Hey, what's happening now?
Little Apple, what's going on?
Oh, this isn't good. It's like 1,000 kittens tickling me with whiskers. Oh, no! Oh, no! Here it comes!
He's gonna blow! Ooh!
Whoa! Excuse me!
Orange, are you okay?
Oh, ow.
Hey, can you hear me? Over here. Hey,
Oh,
you doing okay there, apple?
I'm not an apple. I'm
That's it! He's remembering!
I'm not remembering.
Oh.
I'm an orange.
Yeah!
And you're pear.
Yay!
And that's marshmallow. And hey, apple.
What?
Knife.
Ah!
Whoa. I guess Apple forgot how this works.
Yay! Orange is back! And my sinuses are clear!
Yay!
Boy, if it hadn't been for you and Midget Uh-oh. Midget Apple!
Hey, little guy! You okay? Talk to me, brother!
Well, that just tears it. All right, boys, let's show these stars who's boss.
Oh, I think I'm gonna barf.
Who's ready to go water skiing?
I can't. I'm allergic to lake water.
Okay, well, how about surfing?
All right, yeah, that sounds great.
Sorry, I'm scared of sand.
Did you just say you're scared of sand?
It's just so tiny. Achoo!
Wait, so what's making you sneeze right now?
Me! I'm allergic to peanuts. Achoo!
Now that's nuts.
Well, we have to do something. We can't just sit here all day.
It's pretty easy if you try. You get used to it.
I got it! Let's take my monster truck for a spin!
That sounds awesome. Let me ask my mom real quick. Mom, can I ride in Little Apple's monster truck?
No, my little nutter butter. Diesel fumes aggravate your bladder, remember?
Sorry, guys. Diesel fumes aggravate.
Yeah, we heard.
Yeesh, does your mom even let you play with Legos?
Mom! Can I play with Legos?
No, my little peeny weenie. They're a choking hazard. Remember last time?
Oh, yeah. Achoo!
Wow, I was being sarcastic when I suggested Legos, but this is some next level helicopter parenting.
All right, let's try this. What can you do, Peanut?
I mean, I can apply hand sanitizer whenever I want. Ooh, you guys want to apply hand sanitizer?
What hands?
Kid, you need to get out more. Come on, we're going water skiing.
But the world's a scary place. I can't disobey my mom.
Nah, dude, that's exactly what you must do. Let's go!
Wait. Okay, let me just grab my bubble, all right?
Is what?
There we go. All set to face the real world.
Dude, get out of the bubble.
I'm not gonna be seen in public with some bubble nut.
But the bubble protects me from germs and microwaves and allergens and ideas which might challenge my basic worldview.
Orange, can you take care of this bubble, please?
On it. Pooey.
Ah! My bubble! It was my best friend in the entire world!
Guys, I think we have company.
Ah! Everyone hide!
This might be a really bad time to tell you this, but I'm allergic to knives.
Of course you are.
Dude, hold it in. The knife's gonna find you.
I can't help it!
Oh no! Peanut! Run!
I can't run! There might be water on the floor!
Chop chop!
I told you! I can't run! It's too dangerous!
No! Chop chop!
Huh? Ah!
Ah, poor Peanut. Rest in pieces. Oh.
Whew! I just got chopped in half, and I survived! Wow! I feel great!
You feel great? What is this guy? Nuts?
We sure are nuts! 2 of them! We're free! Before I felt so inhibited, but now, let's go water ski up a waterfall!
Whoa, easy there, little guy.
Let's skydive over a volcano and then fight a shark!
These guys really broke out of their shell.
Let's do it!
Whoa, slow down, you guys.
No way, Pear! We're done walking! From now on, we're running everywhere!
Oh no! There's a bottle of water on the counter! Oh.
Why didn't we listen to Mom? I don't know!
Wow, I'm sure not jelly of those two. Get it? You guys get it? Yeah!
Yes.
It's a joke!
Ah! What? What is it now?
Nothing.
Really?
I was just wondering, who's this square?
Not a square, I'm a cube. A Rubik's Cube.
Gesundheit.
Thank you, but I didn't sneeze.
Yeah, I know. It was a joke. Because you have a funny sounding name.
It's not funny, it's Hungarian.
That's not a real place.
Yes, it is.
Nuh-uh. That's from one of Pear's silly dragon books.
Game of Scones is not silly dragon books. It's an epic tale of
Boredom!
Rubik's Cube.
Gesundheit! Seriously, need a hanky?
I didn't sneeze.
Whoa, calm down. No need to get all red in the face. Red.
That's it. I've had enough. Someone else can talk to this doofus.
What makes you think Pear wants to talk to you?
Not me, you. You are the doofus.
Well, that's the problem with non-specific nouns.
Gah.
Whoa, Sneezoid! What's wrong with your face?
There's nothing wrong. He's a Rubik's Cube. That's how they do.
Weird. Well, that never happens to me when I sneeze.
Yo, I don't know who's harshing Red's mellow, but it's gotta stop, man.
Stop? But I thought green meant go! Seriously, you're sending me mixed signals. What's the give?
Yo, dude, I'm just a Rubik's Cube.
Gesundheit!
I didn't sneeze, man.
That's okay. I didn't really mean it. Hey, Susie Q! Susie Q!
I told you, it's Rubik's...
Gesundheit! Never gets old.
Forget you, man.
Wow, Green is really into recycling.
Whoa.
Have we met?
Because I'm drawing a total blank. What's the matter? Are you not feeling all white? Ah, come on, this is gold. White gold? Dude, what's wrong with you? Well, gesundheit.
Thanks.
Dude, you're supposed to blow your nose, not blew it.
Wow, so funny. No wonder everyone's hiding from you.
What? My humor a little too off color?
No, just surprised you haven't resorted to Smurf jokes yet.
Spoilers, dude! I was just gonna go there.
Oh yeah? Well, you can go there without me, boy.
I'm starting to think this guy is just toying with me.
See you later, loser head.
Hey, what's with all the commotion?
Why, hello, Yellow. Did they save you for last? Or are you just chicken?
Why, I never. You, sir, are very rude food.
Gesundheit!
What?
Sorry, I thought you said Rubik's Cube. It's sort of a gag we're doing.
Gags? Obnoxious behavior? Loud noises?
I love all those things!
I can't believe no one thought of this sooner. Bye.
Oh, it's a midget basketball.
Really? Where?
Silly midget basketball doesn't know he's a midget basketball.
Oh, no. I don't like where this is going.
Who's the hottie with the curvy body?
That's no hottie, that's Pear.
Pear? Pear of what?
This guy rules. He's like something I made in Minecraft.
And you're like something I made in Minecraft.
Okay, guys.
Hey, Ballface, can you make this noise? Blah, 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 blah,
Guys!
blah, blah,
You
blah.
mean this noise?
Guys!
What? What is it, half a pear?
Hands!
Hands up, dude! Hands up!
Whoa! That is so messed up. Mess.
What's the matter? Didn't see that little twist coming?
Too soon, Pear. Too soon.
Ugh, fine. My mistake.
Don't you mean Miss Face?
No, I meant...
Miss Face! Wow! Look at all those rainbows! Color me impressed!
But why are there so many?
Maybe it's because today is the greatest day ever! Yay!
Maybe, but it also seems like something might be up.
Wow! Quadruple rainbow!
All the way across the sky! So intense! Yay!
Am I the only one who thinks this is too many rainbows?
Yes! Silly grapefruit! There's no such thing as too many rainbows!
Yay!
But where are they all coming from? What the heck is going on?
Bad news, everyone! Liam's come down with the leprechaun flu. Achoo! Sorry.
No need to apologize. We're actually really enjoying it.
Achoo! Hey, stop acting so excited about this. The leprechaun flu is a very serious disease. I can't even shave.
Yeah, guys, it ain't nothing to sneeze at.
I'm telling you, it's an awful disease, and you shouldn't be making light of it. Achoo!
Orange?
I think he just witnessed something so hilarious that his brain shorted out. This happens from time to time.
Hold on. Liam, did you just fart a gold coin?
Aye, farting coins is stage 3 of the leprechaun flu. So you see now, the leprechaun flu is no laughing matter. Achoo!
So let me see if I've got this straight. When you contract the leprechaun flu, you fart gold coins.
And sneeze rainbows, aye. It's truly terrible.
What are you talking about? This is the greatest type of flu I've ever heard of.
No, it's positively awful. When I sneeze, it
Hurts?
well, no, it's more of a soothing feeling. Relaxing, actually. But after a leprechaun flu sneeze, you feel so incredible that you have to ponder, wow, I really feel awful all the time, and that's truly an awful feeling.
Okay.
And the kind farts, don't get me started on those. Those are awful as well.
Because they smell bad?
Well, no, they smell like fresh clover after the rain. It's quite nice, actually, but it's mighty inconvenient if you're farting all the time on the job.
What are you talking about? If you're farting gold coins while on the job, why do you even need a job? You're rich.
Ah, well, I suppose that's a good thing. But believe me, the leprechaun flu is a very serious thing. But this is only stage 3 of the leprechaun flu.
What's stage 4? Burping out adorable bunnies?
No, that was actually stage 1.
Are you my mommy?
I told you already, I'm not your mommy.
Okay.
Stage 4 of the leprechaun flu is get ready for this spontaneous combustion. Needless to say, there is no stage 5.
Wait, so you're saying that if you reach stage 4, you'll explode?
Wow, hey, I heard the word explode and I'm back with ya. What are we exploding? Tell me.
Nothing, Orange. There's not gonna be no explosion because we're gonna cure Liam's flu right now.
Oh, try not to act so happy about it, you big meanie heads. Achoo! Oh, look at that jackpot!
Liam, how will we know if you're heading into stage 4? What are the signs?
There's one telltale sign. I'll start adding syllables to words. When a leprechaun starts adding syllables to words, now you know it's getting serious.
Wait, say syllables again.
Syllabillables?
Syllables.
Syllabillabungables!
Oh man, this is getting serious.
I couldn't be more syllabillabungables. Oh,
Oh guys, we gotta cure him quick.
What's the cure for leprechaun flu?
There's only one known cure. Any orange in the vicinity must stop talking immediately.
Huh? For how long?
Forever.
Can the orange still nya sometimes?
Nope.
Yeah, there's no way that's true.
He called me bluff.
We appreciate the effort.
You're welcome. It was worth a shot. But seriously, the actual curabong for the
Maybe we should take a few steps back.
for the leprechaun flu. Oh no, the leprechaun flubles.
Yeah, he's definitely stuck in a billabong loop.
The dingle
Guys, we gotta get out of here.
The
It's
dingle
getting
on the
worse.
dingle. Billabong, billabong. Great hoo!
Hello, everyone. Are you my mommy?
Kid, get out of here!
Wow, more like Billabong, am I right?
Is everyone all right?
Looks like it. Well, not Liam, of course.
Grapefruit, you strangely.
No biggie. Try not to read into it, too.
Will you be my mommy?
Yeah.
And my mommy too? Will you be my mommy?
Hey, look! A mommy!
After all, mommy.
Mommy!
Ah!